Here we have a 2016 JBI Koilmatic. It's an electric tabletop coil inserter and crimper. Setup LCD display. Setup button. Two position switch. Your setup mode and auto mode. Emergency stop. Your on off switch to the side. This machine is operated using a foot pedal. Demonstrated operating. See that it's come out crimped. Let's see other test books I've done. Again, here we have the JBI Koilmatic. All the details and specifications can be found on our website at boggsequipment.com. For any questions or inquiries, you can contact our sales department